morning, good morning, good morning. I didn't quite get out of work ready for sunset, but it has been quite a pleasant evening. I'm just going to take you on a little trip around a different part of Weston today to show you something commemorating a great man who spent most of his life in the area. Now, in case you don't know, in the UK, what we do if we have someone who's famous or has done work for, great causes, a community, they like to put up things called blue plaques. Now, that blue plaque is just a commemorative token to say that that person either lived there, worked there, made a difference there. And one that we've got in Weston, amongst many actually, there are a few, but this one's quite easy to get to. I can stop the bike right by it. Is for an author who's known worldwide. And even if you don't know the author, which would surprise me, you do know his films that you helped co-write, but most of all his books. He was a children's author, and he wrote titles ranging from some fairly unheard of books to some of the greatest and most famous children's books in history. So some of his most famous happen to be titles like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, James and the Giant Peach, Matilda, the BFG, and one thing that I didn't know, but I've learnt fairly recently, is that he was also the co-writer for the film Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Now, if you're still not sure of the name of the author, it's a gentleman called Roald Dahl. He was actually Welsh. He was born near Cardiff. I believe to either one Norwegian parent or both parents were Norwegian. But fairly early on in his life, he moved to Weston-super-Mare to be schooled here at St. Peter's School. Now, the school I don't think is there anymore, but where it used to stand, they've placed a commemorative plaque in memory, and we shall just go and see if we can find it. Okay, so I'm just going to pop the bike here out of the way, hopefully in a position where it can safely go on the side stand. Seems okay. We'll just pop it off. But I will just quickly pop the hazards on. So I don't know how well you can see it, but there it is. Weston Civic Society, Roald Dahl, 1916 to 1990, children's author. And he attended the school that used to be on this site. So there you go, a little bit of history. Let's now see if the bike restarts okay. Ah, well done. Well done, Luigi. So there you go. A little bit of history for you. So now the next time you're reading a Roald Dahl book or watching Charlie and the Chocolate Factory on TV, you know where he went to school, You know the town that he lived in, and you know where to visit if you want to come and see his blue plaque. So as I make my way back, I'd like to finish off by saying I hope you enjoyed the little journey. I'm going to go around the corner here and I'm just going to leave you with a little bit of street art, which is amazing. But I think it was commissioned by the council. It's an incredible piece. But guys, take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.